Imagine you want to travel and enjoy your journey in a country, but you end up spending all your hard-earned cash in the wrong places. How would you feel? Or would you like to spend it on the most amazing places that country has to offer? So to help you out, we have compiled a list of top 10 places you must visit in Cocos Keeling Island in this video. If you want a complete travel guide that tells about 5 hidden secret gems in Cocos Keeling Island that will make your traveling experience unforgettable, make sure to check out first link in the description below. Number 10. No Worries Atoll. Incredible must-do experience. The local guide gives you a customized tour of the Cocos Islands. You and your spouse may finish the journey in 5 days and will not be disappointed. You may travel to a direction island to snorkel and witness the most magnificent coral you've ever seen, as well as turtles, and learn about the history of the islands and a few undiscovered sites. Number 9. Island Explorer Holidays. Private day tours. A calm yet action-packed excursion with Jeff, local tour guide, is perhaps the finest thing you can do on the island. Despite the bar and the runway golf course, Jeff will show you everything you want to see. You name it. Birds, manta rays, sharks, and desolate islands. Thank you for a wonderful experience. Number 7. Cocos Islands Adventure Tours. Excellent experience. I strongly suggest it. What a fantastic day! Our tour guide was both informative and entertaining. While snorkeling, we observed several turtles, little orange crabs, and even a reef shark. We toured distant little islands that we would not have been able to see on our own, had a beautiful tropical day, and learned a lot. I would strongly suggest it to anybody visiting Cocos Islands. Number 6. Pulu Keeling National Park. It's a superb bird breeding site with original native vegetation and significant World War I history attributable to the German raider Emden's beaching. It is extremely regrettable that the island is now effectively inaccessible to tourists, even when supervised by Parks Australia officers. However, if one has the opportunity, it is worthwhile to watch. Number 5. The Big Barge Art Center. A spectacular restoration job right on the shore. The aging barge has been given a new lease on life in terms of color and culture, with the artwork being original and spectacular. It's well worth a visit. A small art gallery housed within an antique ferry boat. Paintings and art objects are available for viewing and purchase. Number 4. Pulu Maria. Pulu Maria, about 200 meters from Scout Park, is the greatest snorkeling spot on West Island. You'll be surrounded by amazing fish and may even spot turtles and tiny reef sharks. See photos. I strongly advise wearing reef shoes when visiting Pulu Maria because the region between Scout Park and Pulu Maria is covered in spiky coral and sea cucumbers. Number 3. Scout Park. There are some great huge land crabs, baby sharks swim near the beach, and frigate birds swoop overhead. There is some decent shade for eating, as well as grass and sand seats. There are also several outdoor grills and plenty of parking here. Number 2. Cocos Keeling Islands Visitor Center. Every tourist to Cocos should go to the visitor center to get information and see the many displays. The main issue is that they don't have excellent maps of the West or home islands. They're missing information, and when we arrived, several of our individuals, we were a party of 28, didn't know where to find their accommodations. Number 1. Direction Island. It is a beautiful, unspoiled location with excellent snorkeling and swimming in crystal blue seas. Make sure you bring lots of food and drink, as well as sunscreen. It is worthwhile to go on a historical walking tour. We went on a wonderful sunny day with no insects, but if you go on a wet day, you will need repellent. Swimming the Rip is fun and not too difficult. For shade, there are little wooden shelters. The boat from West Island is inexpensive and quick. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe and comment down below your favorite destinations around the world. Let's see the best destinations in your favorite countries. Check out this playlist. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.